Now that the middle school has all of these awesome technology resources, we want to make sure we do a good job of scheduling these resources and making sure that you guys have the opportunity to schedule some of these yourself. The way we're going to do that is through the use of shared calendars. And in Outlook, if you click on Calendar, you will see your normal calendar. What I've done is I've created a shared calendar, and you can do that by going to Open a Shared Calendar and simply pressing MS Tech, M-S-T-E-C-H. When you click Open, it'll open up a second calendar. So now you can see here on the left-hand side a couple checkboxes. If you uncheck Calendar, your calendar goes away. If you uncheck Calendar in Mailbox MS Tech, the middle school technology calendar goes away. So now you have access to two calendars. If we take a look at this calendar, you guys can see that I've color-coded all of the different resources, all of the different projectors, all of the different laptop carts, including my lab and the middle school science lab. What you're going to do here is, if say I wanted to schedule something for Friday, I would double click on Friday, and let's say that I needed to use a projector for our Friday Canon Stock event. So what I would do is, under subject, I would write need projector for Canon Stock. And under location, what I'm asking you guys to do is actually put your name. So I would put Northrop, because that would mean that Mr. Northrop needs to use the projector for Canon Stock. And then I'm going to go down to the appropriate coding, which is the MS Lab projector. And once I have that in there, it's going to color code it correctly, and I will be able to punch in my dates. Under start time, it's already got the right date because that was the date that I plugged it in. And now I'm going to choose 12/2/3. I would ask that you guys make sure that you put appropriate times, so that if you are only using it for half the day, we can make sure that other people have access to it the rest of the time. I do ask that anytime you are using any of the resources, you always invite me to the appointment so that I know what's being used and when it's being used. You will have the opportunity to be able to delete or edit your own posts on the calendar. So if you reserve this for Friday and you need to get rid of it, you can go back there and delete it. However, you will not have the ability to edit or delete anybody else's. So if you ever try and edit some post in there, it might be because, and you can't do it, it might be because you didn't create it. So again, if I want to get rid of that MS Tech calendar, I simply uncheck it, and then I have my calendar. So if you need any help with this, please don't hesitate to give me a call or an email, and hopefully this will allow us to share our resources more efficiently. Hope you guys have a great day.